Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm not at Sadie's house right now. Went home last night. Well, I am back home. So I'm gonna do dmcr. So me and Sadie fidget traded, so we don't have the same fidgets. Wait. Yeah, we do, but we have totally different fidgets. But we definitely fidget traded. So first is the poppet. And with poppets, you can do this. I messed up. Start right here, and that has to be on the easy side. My poppet has a hard side too. Okay. No, flarp, noisy putty. Okay, let me get it out. It's definitely not like slime. Oh, that's why I know it's called noisy putty. My other stress ball broke, but there will be there in here because we squeeze them out in here. This I don't know. I found this under my bed. Let's do this slime. Take it out. I love the color. It's super purple and shimmery, but in the camera you can't really see it's shimmery. Wait, yeah, you can. Okay. That's kind of noisy putty too, but this is slime. But this is the same slime as this one. I think I'll just feel the slime. It broke off Sadie's wacky track, but she got hers together. Big wacky track. Squishy unicorn. I do not like unicorns. Okay, that was good. I have a cat one. Okay. Let's try my mini poppet. I love the colors. But I just cut this one for my own. Homemade DNA. That's really good. Yeah. Banana scented slime, but I did add beads into it. Smells like banana. Now let's test my 3 mochis. These are my mochis, so yeah. I got a yellow dolphin mochi. I have a pig, elephant mochi, and this cat. I left my pig one at Sadie's, and I have a couple more in my bedroom somewhere. Neato. I have some Play-Doh. Peach slime. It smells like peach, and it has a peach charm. It's a really good slime. And it's orange, my favorite color. It's kind of sticky. Marble mash. Other one is somewhere. Squishy. This, it's just like a squishy something. And this, I like to squish it. And then I like to smooth it. Well, that's all my fidgets. And I'm going to Learning Express maybe today. So, and I might be going to the jump place, maybe, or both, I don't know. But, yeah, so I'll post another video what I'm going to be packing if I do go to the trampoline park. But if I don't, you guys are going to be coming along with me to Learning Express, both in one video, or just separate videos, and then, yeah, I don't know really. Or if we just do one today. Well, bye. Have a nice day, everybody.